Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pin a post on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Select the post that you want to pin. So you should tap on this three dots icon above your picture in the right side corner and tap on the first button, Pin Post. As you can see, your post has been pinned to the top of your timeline. So if you scroll down, that's the first thing that will appear to you and others, indicated by this Pin Post button or title. So if you click on this again and you want to undo this feature or function, thereby unpinning the post, tap on the unpin post button, and then it will be unpinned. As you can see, it's no longer at the top of your feed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.